Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, we will talk about the highly growing field in information technology which is called quantum computing. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I will tell you about different best websites to learn a particular skill. So as you know, our video format that first we will go to Fiverr and check the demand and competition of the skill, and then we will go to the websites from where we can learn this skill. So uh, I am going to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces where you can sell your services online. So here I write quantum computing. So as you can see, only 169 services available. Guys, have you noticed one thing that where in this series videos I told you about the premium skills which has very low competition on Fiverr, and you can easily rank. 169 services is not that much competition. You can also rank on four if there are 4,000 freelancer, you can also uh, rank and beat them. So these are only 169 services, means skill is premium but competition is low. So let's go. We will open one of the best gigs, and that's it. Ting. I will help you with any quantum computing projects. One 5-star reviews. He completed, I think, almost 100 projects. So in base price, he charged $90. You will receive help, consultation, debugging, and advice with your quantum software project. After that, standard, he charged $190. I will build a quantum program for you. Premium, he charged $500, and I will provide you with everything you want: app design, flowcharts, and completed projects. So that's good. After that, the second, you can also check out his gig description, and then you will make an idea and write your gig according to it. After that, I will help you in quantum computing and physics projects. He charged $30, and he will help you in quantum computing projects. Let's go to our third gig. I will assist you in quantum physics and computational. That's good. He's Malik Arsalan. He uh, 3.7 reviews. His reviews are little bit, like, say, not bad, average. So in basic package, he charged $10. Help you in physics for 30 minutes. In standard, help you physics in 1 hour. Help you physics in 2 hours. Basically, he's a teacher, and he's providing a teaching service. So I think that's it. And after that, basically, on Fiverr, they are only providing tutoring service. But if you uh, make your gig like quantum computing projects, then you will surely get high paid jobs, and have no competition. As you can see, only one person available here, one or two, which provides quantum computing project service. So I think this is a good service and low competition service. You can definitely check out this service. So guys, I think Fiverr part is okay. Now let's move towards our websites. So the first website I will show you is MIT Open Courseware. I think almost all we know about MIT, and MIT start provides a tutorial about quantum computation, course description, course information, course topics. You can check out these topics, and you can also download this course from here. And syllabus, calendar, reading, lecture notes, assignments, etc. You can easily join this course and complete the course and become a professional quantum computing specialist. After that, the second website is called is officially by Microsoft.com. What are Q, hashtag, and quantum development kit? They provide the courses. provide the complete courses and resources about quantum computing, quantum simulators. If you've done these courses, these are basically tutorials. If you complete the tutorial and practice it, you become a quantum computing specialist and become a high paying developer. After that, the third is quantumai.google. It is official by Google. You can search different modules here, and you can also check out their publications about quantum computing and news and updates, resources from where you can learn educational resources. Click on this. These are the educational resources. You can labs and exercise. Once you start learning it, you will have a clear idea about quantum computing. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye.